If you are a skilled trader and you've been wondering where to get capital to trade in the forex market, then this video will explore prop trading and how you can take advantage of it. Now, prop trading is a common thing in the forex market right now, and with the advancement of technologies and all new things that concern forex trading. So, prop trading is basically whereby traders get funded money, and once you get funded by the company, you get a share of profits that will be a result from your trading. You get a share of profits that you'll be trading with the firm's money. So basically, the arrangement works in whereby there is a firm that has money and there is a trader who is skilled and they don't have capital. So in this case, you have to pass a challenge and once you pass the challenge, then you have access to the capital that enables you to trade bigger amount of capital in the long run. Now, we look at the type of trading. There exists a number of type of prop trading, but the most common one is the retail prop trading, which is accessible to most common retail forex traders. Now, how does prop trading work? Number one, you sign up on the prop firm. Number two, you pass the challenge. Number three, you start trading. Number four, you start sharing the profits from the proceeds of your trading. Now, there is a catch in between prop trading, successful trading, in that number one, you always need some key skills in order to be able to succeed in prop trading. The first skill that you need is number one, technical analysis. So you need to be able to analyze the market charts and make precise decisions on where the market is headed to. So for instance, you will need to understand the basic concepts of support and resistance. You will also need to understand the market structure. You will also need to understand reading the candlesticks as well as reading the trend direction of the market. Risk management, proper risk management. You will need to master proper risk management while doing prop trading. Prop trading has very strict risk management criteria. Top of the key risk management criteria that they use is number one, the daily drawdown and the overall drawdown. So in most cases, if you are not aware about your risk management parameters, then you will find yourself violating the daily drawdown or the overall drawdown. Now, you'll also have to understand the fundamentals, because in the long run, the market is actually influenced by both the fundamentals and the technicals. So you'll need to understand the key fundamentals that are happening in the market, so to take the right direction in your trades. Now, I'm hoping that in this video, you are asking yourself, which common prop trading firms that I can take advantage of, or which are the most trusted prop trading firms that you can start trading with. Now, I have 3 recommendations for you. These are prop firms that I have used over time, and I can assure you credibility and safety of your funds. Number one is FTMO. So launched in 2015, FTMO has been in the game the longest ever in the prop trading list. So FTMO offers excellent customer support and as well as fair prices in terms of their prop challenges. Number two on the list is Funded Next. So Funded Next is a barely new prop trading company. However, you will love Funded Next because of their tight spreads as well as excellent customer support. Number three on the list is Fivers. So Fivers, as just like FTMO, has been in the game for quite a while, from 2016. 5% has actually, because of their excellent customer support and as well as tight spreads. So I'm hoping that in the end of this video, you will be able to take action and start your prop trading firm journey. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share your comment down below. Thank you, and see you on the next one.